Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making little trinket dishes, and here are some examples that I made. And you can put little items in there such as rings or necklaces or bracelets, anything like that, or it can just be like paper clips. It doesn't have to be jewelry. But yeah, so I'm going to show you how to make that today. And I already have some prepared. They're already hardened clay, and I have them displayed here for a reason, and I will explain that in a second. But first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my clay. I just have like regular air dry clay. And I'm going to put it on my parchment paper. I'm going to roll it out. But first I'm going to roll it out in my hands. While I'm rolling it, I'm going to mention some of the other stuff I'm using. You can decorate it however you want, but in order to actually cut out my clay, I'm going to use just cookie cutters. So you can get different types of shapes. And then you can use paints if you want to. You can even put stickers. Now that I have my clay flattened a little bit, I'm going to take one piece of parchment paper and then I'm going to put another one on top. And then I'm going to start rolling it out. Okay, so now that I have this rolled out, I'm going to peel this off. And I'm going to take the design I want, design cookie cutter, and I'm going to do this, not sure, I guess it's a flower design-ish. It's not really a flower, but I'm going to use this. I'm going to press down hard. I'm probably going to stand up. Okay. That seems good. Just making sure I have it down. Okay, yeah. Now I'm going to peel off the excess clay around here. And I carefully take it out. I have my mason jar here, and on here I have saran wrap, and I have it on here so the clay doesn't stick on. And so I'm going to take my design, I'm going to place it flat on top, and I'm going to make sure it's centered. I think it's good. Maybe. So now I'm just going to carefully press down here to get this circular shape in the middle. And you can see there's some cracks here and there, but I will show you in a second how to fix that. Okay, so now I have it pressed down enough, and you can see there's a ton of cracks here, but I'm just gonna have a little thing of water. And then I'm gonna dip my finger in, and I'm just gonna wet the edges here so I can make the clay wet, and it'll get rid of these cracks. So it'll be nice and smooth. And then I'm going to leave this to dry for 24 hours this way. And then I'm going to take it off the jar. So like, let's say I have my design on here. I'm going to take it off and leave it open like this so the inside can dry for another 24 hours. First, I'm going to paint my little dishes with my different colors I have here. This one that I have here, I'm just gonna use paint on it, just like this one. I mean, I'll add like little decorative stuff, but it's mostly paint. This one, I'm gonna put stickers on here. I have little cats and bananas that look pretty cute. And then this last one, I'm gonna put some Tokidoki paper on it, but I'm still gonna paint a base first. Okay, so now I have all of these painted and I'm going to let them dry. So now I have my my painted little dishes. I decided to already add the stickers here on this one. I have two little banana cats and a bird on top. And then this one just has like a little design. I did different colors. And then this one I added little dots here. And then here I have my paper that I'm going to use. Now I'm going to take my Mod Podge and I'm just going to dip a brush into here. And I'm going to start painting over the stickers and the whole dish. First I'm just going to paint the top. And since it's pretty hot outside, I'm going to leave it out to dry. And then I can do the bottom. For this one, first I'm going to paint on the actual dish here, just the circle part. I'm not going to add too much. Then I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to place it on top here. And then I'm going to paint over that. Like so. Using my brush to help get out any sort of bubbles in the paper. And I decided to do a gloss sort of top coating because I like how nice and shiny it looks. But you can probably do like a matte one. But either way, it looks nice. This is the last dish I'm adding my Mod Podge to, and then I can leave it outside to dry. So here are the finished dishes here, and I have all the Mod Podge done drying. And now I'm gonna just put little items in here to show you what you can put in. You can put like coins, you can put paper clips, you can put jewelry, but yeah, I think these turned out pretty cute and I like how they look. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.